newfound tool. 12:30, maybe after lunch. I'm gonna listen to this so we could see them. Hi everyone, I'm excited to share with you guys this newfound tool that I got from LilySilk. It is the no heat curling headband. I actually tried it yesterday, but I removed it as soon as I'm about to go to the bed, and it did put some volume on my hair but not really curl. So now I'm gonna try it and keep it on my head for longer hours, maybe like 5 hours, and see if it'll make some curls. So the instruction I saw on their website is that I have to put it here. Go. Do is get a little strand at a time and rub them on here, outwards. So let's so I have to make it as tight as possible. So I tried yesterday. I got that loosely, and it didn't go as tight. Look it off. This is where I struggled yesterday, so hopefully I'll do better this time. Get the first. By the way, I also got the second piece, and most of the hair has aesthetically quick options. It's nice also. Yesterday I was really struggling. Probably better to use a bigger one, but this is the only one I could find right now. Go. So let's see how long it'll stay on my head. It is 6:30 right now. So if I'll keep it for 5 hours, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12:30, maybe after lunch, I'll come back here and remove it with you guys and see what will be the result after 5 hours. All right, stay tuned. I'm back, and it's been about 5 hours and 30 minutes since I've put this curling headband on, and as a reference, I didn't put any other hair product on my hair, just this, and let's see if it worked. Are you ready? This is the moment of truth. I'm gonna listen to this so we could see them. Here it is. Sorry, my throat's pretty scratchy. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. I love the big curls. Excuse my voice. I love the big curls for sure. And I don't know if you could notice it, but my hair looks kind of shiny too. Love it! Let me know what you think. But I definitely love it. It's a good buy for me.